Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi Portable mouse. Starting with the unboxing, inside the box the first thing that you find is a user guide, and then under that is the mouse itself. The upper part of the mouse is made from anodized aluminium, with the rest being made from a white ABS plastic. This is the silver version, but there's also another version available in gold. It feels incredibly light, and it's also quite compact at about 11 cm by 5.7 cm. Overall, the design is very reminiscent of the Apple Magic Mouse, only in reverse, and that seems to be where Xiaomi have taken their design cues from. On the bottom is the battery door, which can be opened by rotating it to the left. Above that is the sensor, which is a high precision laser sensor that allows for up to 1200 dpi sensitivity and, according to Xiaomi, will work on 95% of surfaces including glass. Above the sensor is the power button, and then finally towards the front of the mouse is the mode button. One quite unique feature of this mouse is that it supports 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity in addition to Bluetooth, and you can switch between the two modes by pressing this button. This also allows you to connect the mouse to two different computers, say a Mac via Bluetooth and a PC via 2.4 GHz, and then switch between the two by pressing the mode button. The mouse takes two AAA batteries. You'll also see the 2.4 GHz wireless USB receiver, which is stored nicely in a small bay between the two batteries. Connecting the mouse to my Macbook Pro was very easy. Just switch the mouse on, then long press the mode button to put it into pairing mode, and the mouse was immediately recognized by macOS. The anodized aluminium finish to the top of the mouse means that it looks right at home next to the MacBook Pro. It's almost as if they were made for each other. In use, the mouse takes a little getting used to if, like me, you're used to larger mice, but it did feel comfortable and it moves very smoothly across the desk, with just the right amount of resistance. Tracking was very smooth, though I did find myself increasing the tracking speed by a couple of notches in system preferences, after which it was perfect. I also increased the speed of the scroll wheel by a notch. After using this mouse for a few weeks, I've been very impressed. It's not the type of mouse you'd want to use for serious gaming, but then that's not what it's designed for. It's designed to be a portable, compact wireless mouse with good looks and flexible connectivity options, and it does all of those very well. For the price, which at the time of this review is around $25 or €20, you'd be hard pressed to find a better wireless mouse for the money. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.